Hi everyone, it's Aisha, Beau here, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. So I recently had the opportunity to partner with Muse Health, and if you aren't already familiar, Muse Health makes an amazing hand sanitizer. Not just that, but Muse Health's entire brand ethos is around spreading positivity, influencing others to be helpful and productive within their communities, and just helping those in need overall. And Muse Health decided to start an amazing initiative during a time in which there are so many people in need, called the hashtag Hands-On Movement. And the Hands-On Movement is all about highlighting those everyday heroes in all of our communities. The people who saw that we were going through a difficult time and instead of sitting by, decided to get hands-on and not only help, but uplift and inspire those around them and in their community. And to celebrate those people, Muse Health decided to do an amazing giveaway of $3,000 as well as a year's supply of Muse Health hand sanitizer to 7 very fortunate people who essentially embody what it means to be hands-on during such a trying time. So one of the winners, who I'm very happy to announce, is Kharma. And if you have Instagram, you can follow her at Good Kharma Yoga. Kharma embodies what it means to be hands-on during this time because she performs and offers free yoga classes on YouTube and IGTV in order to support a healthy lifestyle for everyone, especially during these trying times. She's hands-on about lifting up her community physically and mentally through movement. Kharma is such an inspiration, and when I read her story, I just felt like it's something that can resonate with so many of us. Kharma talked about the fact that a lot of people are unable to access dance classes or other types of movement classes like yoga and Pilates due to financial circumstances. And it's really unfortunate to know that people won't be able to experience things that can not only better them mentally but physically and help them to broaden their horizons in their lives just because of financial reasons. And for that reason, Kharma decided to provide these classes for free during a time in which a lot of us really aren't making a lot of movement on a day-to-day basis. You know, now that some of us are working from home, we're kind of stagnant, and I think a lot of people during quarantine have been looking for ways to get moving and to not only help themselves to stay physically fit, but also to help them unwind and relax during such a stressful time. So Kharma has been providing classes on YouTube, and the thing I love about that is because she really provides some diversity to the movement space. So there aren't really a ton of yoga and Pilates instructors who look like her, and I love the fact that she's out there doing her thing and inspiring people who don't necessarily see themselves represented on a regular basis. So Kharma, to you, I want to say congratulations and give you a tremendous shout out for being hands-on during this time. You truly deserve it. Along with giving Kharma a shout out, I also wanted to talk about Muse Health as a whole. As I mentioned, Muse Health provides an amazing hand sanitizer that I am quite frankly obsessed with. Their hand sanitizer is unlike any I've used before because not only does it help to kill germs within a matter of seconds, the Muse Health hand sanitizer contains vitamin E, lime oil, and glycerin so that it has a gel cream-like texture that really helps to sustain that moisture and lock in that nourishment when you use it. Not to mention, the Muse Health hand sanitizer is vegan and cruelty-free. I love that Muse Health really prides themselves on taking care of their consumers and the broader world around them. And I know that this is my first time talking about Muse Health on my YouTube channel, and although the hands-on movement contest is over, they are still continuing on with their initiatives, and one in particular that I feel is so important is their Buy One, Give One initiative. And with that, every bottle of Muse Health hand sanitizer that's bought is given back to a person in need. And I feel like this is so important because, like I said, the world is opening up and we're gonna need to protect ourselves just as much as we did before. So this is a great way of ensuring that everyone is protected. So if you're interested in getting yourself a bottle of the Muse Health Hand Sanitizer, be sure to use the link in my description box below, and also use the code 30Aisha to get 30% off. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.